Guys, so I just want to say thank you to all my subscribers that have been showing my old videos some love. A lot of new people have joined the channel. I haven't been uploading regularly because I have a lot of projects that I'm working on right now and just things going on in life that have prevented me from uploading as much on this channel as I'd like to. So I do apologize, but I am working on some big things and I hope to share that with you sometime soon. But let's jump right into this method, guys. This is exciting. Everybody knows YouTube is the place to be. You've all heard that there's a lot of money to be made on YouTube, but you might not know how to do it. Or you want to do it, but you don't really know how to, maybe you don't want to be on camera, you're not a good editor, you don't know what to film, or you can't think of funny ideas, or whatever the case may be. I'm going to show you a strategy here that we will be making great money on YouTube, where we don't have to have great editing skills, we don't have to film any content, we don't have to show our face, we don't even have to think of ideas, okay? And we're gonna make good money doing it, and we don't have to sell anything, we don't even have to rely on ads. We can get to ads one day, and you'll see the power of that as we grow, but we don't even have to sell anything. We're going to be getting something for free, giving something for free, and we're going to be making money in the middle. And if that sounds impossible, stay to the end of this video, and I'm going to show you exactly how we do that. So let's jump right into it, guys. What's something that a lot of creators need when they're on YouTube? They need music, okay? But not just any music. YouTube is very, very strict what music you use. You can't just easily use your favorite rap song. You're probably going to get your video demonetized, taken down, flagged for copyright, some kind of issues. So, a lot of YouTubers are making videos, travel vlogs, regular vlogs, any kind of videos where they might need music in the background. Okay, so if people will go to YouTube, they will search copyright-free music. This ensures that there's no one that's going to say, hey, that's my song, you can't use that, okay? So there's all kinds of channels that are dedicated to that, and they have a lot of music on there that anyone can use for anything they want to use. And you can use it in videos, and you can run ads on your videos, and YouTube's going to say that's perfectly okay. So this is a channel right here, and you can see they're getting thousands of views on every video, 46,000, 53,000, 30,000, and this is a big channel that's been around, but I just want to show you the power of what's possible with just a simple channel like this. It's just uploading 1 minute, 3-minute songs, and that's all it is. There's nothing else, and they just have a picture that stays on screen the whole song, okay? So I'm going to show you where you get this music. You don't have to create any music. You don't have to do anything like that. It's all going to be available for you just to make a simple video with, okay? So first, I just want to show you, I pulled up this channel's social play statistics. So basically, they are a massive channel, so they're going to be getting a lot more in ad revenue than we would be to start. I mean, you need 1,000 subscribers before you can even qualify for ad revenue. But if you're posting daily, which is what YouTube prefers, they'll quickly start promoting your videos because they'll say, these people are serious about making videos, so we're going to push their content. And look at what they're making, between $5,000 and $81,000 a month. Somewhere in the middle is what I find is probably the most average. So they're probably making somewhere around 40. But even on the low end, guys, if they're making somewhere around like 10,000, 10,000, I mean, that's just insane money, especially when you see how easy what I'm about to show you is. And just to know, this may not be everyone's situation, what they get to, but this is the possibilities of this. I mean, this channel is doing the exact same thing of what I'm going to show you, what we're going to do the exact same thing they are. So there's nothing stopping us from reaching this as long as we keep uploading. They've had over 1,700 uploads, so they've been committed to putting, up a video every single day, if not 2 a day, for a long time. See, they've been around since 2014, so it's possible though, guys, okay? So I'm going to show you first where to find some images because we're going to need a picture. So if we go to pexels.com, you can just scroll through and find a cool picture, or you can search, you can do beaches and I didn't spell right, beaches, okay, and you can find a cool picture, something like that would be cool. That would be awesome for like a picture playing for like a cool song. Another good place is unsplash.com. So these are 2 options, guys. You can find, just search free pictures and you can find sites like this, but these are the biggest. Pexels, Unsplash, I think like Pixabay is another one that you can use. But that's easy. We just need to download a picture, so you can just click it, you can hit free download, it'll download right to your computer. Now we'll need to get music. If you make a free YouTube channel, you'll get access to YouTube Creator Studio, which is going to come with an audio library. You can just go to your YouTube Creator Studio, hit audio library, or you can go here to youtube.com/audio library and you'll find it. You can Google search it. It's easy to find. So it's just going to have literally endless amounts of songs. Look at all this. And this is all free to use. YouTube is just picking all these songs and saying, if you want to use these in your videos, we're not going to copyright strike you. These are all free to use. You don't have to say in the description who wrote it, anything. And you can still put ads on your videos. So this will be completely safe to use anything in these videos, which is good to know. If you are a YouTube creator and you're watching this video, this is good to know that this exists, that you can use anything in here. And if you want to sort it by, genre or mood and find something that's kind of in your, like what you're looking for, if you're looking for something calm, you're looking for something hip hop, whatever, you can find that. So now, I don't know if you're going to be able to hear this just because the way Mac screen records, but I'll try to give you a little sample of this song here. Okay, so I hope you heard that, and that's just a little clip here. I already have it downloaded, but all you'd have to do is go over here and click download, and it's going to load it right in your computer. So now we have a picture, and now we have a song. Now, I've kind of been explaining this whole process, so this is going to seem a little drawn out, but if you just timed me from now until the time that I finished making this YouTube video, you'd laugh how fast it is. So for you to make one video a day, you can literally do this in 1 minute a day. Okay, if you want to do 2 videos, you can do it in 2 minutes a day. Okay, so watch how fast. I'm going to use iMovie. If you want to use any kind of other free editor, you can. If you already have something, that's great, but you can Google free video editors, and you can find something super simple like this. They even have ones that are web-based now, but there's Shotcut, and there's different things that are just like this that are free. And if you have a Mac, you can just use iMovie, but if you have Windows, there's plenty of free options. You don't have to buy something, guys. Don't feel like that's necessary. Okay. So now, from right now to the time I finish, this is going to take me literally 30 seconds. So here's where I drag my things in. Go to my downloads. I'm going to pull in my song. Boom. There's my music. Okay, grab my picture that I downloaded off Pexels, a little beach pic. Okay, I'm going to drag this out to the end of the video. Actually, let me just see here. Okay, done. That's it. I'm done. I could download this right now. So now you see, as this video will play, there will be a picture there. I mean, if I even want to just keep it still, I can do that. And it's done. And now I can just export this, download it, and upload it to YouTube. So that's it, guys, for making the video. Now, obviously, we will need a thumbnail. Go to Canva, create a design, YouTube thumbnail, okay? Pick something simple. Pick this. I'm going to delete the background here. I'm going to go to my downloads, drag this picture in. Okay. Boom. Let's drag this a little bit bigger. Alright. And pull my text here. Okay. Let's just say your channel name was, I don't know, stick with me, guys. I'm going to be showing you how do we make this money real quick. Okay. Your channel is copyright free. And your name of your song, who cares? We'll call it Hiking in the Volcano. Hiking in the Volcano, okay? Save that, boom. Now you get your thumbnail made in 10 seconds. And look, you think this is kind of stupid, like this is simple, but if you look at their channel, look at, they're literally just writing audio library on top of the picture that they used. It's so basic, guys. And this channel has 3 million subscribers. That's all it takes, okay? So that's thumbnail. All right, now let's talk about making money, guys. First thing we're going to do is go to a site called fileup.org. Okay, file-up.org. If you just search file upload or something like that, you might be able to find it that way, but it's file-up.org. I'll probably leave a link in the description if I remember to do that. So this is a way we can make money by having people how they're going to download that song. If they watch our video and they want to use it, they're going to download it. This is people that maybe don't even know about the YouTube audio library that I just told you about. So if we click make money, it shows you here. For every 1,000 downloads, they're going to pay you $7. Okay? That's just how this program works. It's super easy. You just sign up and you upload your files. I just uploaded that song I got from YouTube. You're going to get a link like this. Okay? And then every time someone, look, you can see what it says here, paid here. It's $523,000 they've already paid out. So you do get this link here. Okay, that's gonna be the download link, and then every time someone downloads that, it's gonna know that you to pay you. Okay, you can look through here. You can go to proof of payments, look at whatever you want. That's just one method, guys. Okay, this is gonna pay you $7 for every 1,000 uploads or downloads. So if you're getting a few thousand views on a video, those are people that are interested in downloading music. There's a good chance that a lot of them are gonna download it. Okay, now the next thing we're gonna do is go to a site called shrinkearn.com. Now, on shrinkearn.com, it's like any URL shortener, but what they're going to do is basically put an ad. Like when they click the link, it's going to take them to an ad, and then they can just hit skip ad and go right to the next thing. So, which everyone's going to do because that's what people do, but they're still going to pay you anyway. So you can put your link here. You know, you can use this link, okay? You can put that link here, and this is going to give you a shortened link. And then when everyone clicks this, let's look at the publisher rates. It shows there are different countries. You can make anywhere from $3 all the way up to $20 depending where you live. So I don't know what country you're in. If you're in the United States, you're getting $7 per 1,000 views here as well. And this is paid just from clicking it, okay? So they don't even have to download it. Like maybe they make it to the other one, but they choose not to download it. This is clicks. So $7 per click. So you can make $7 per click, and then $7 per 1,000 clicks, and then $7 per 1,000 uploads. So you can potentially make, you know, $14 for every 1,000 views that you have, and that's way before you even get ads rolling on your YouTube channel. So you can see, guys, how easy that is to make money without even selling anything. And here's just like you see, if you go to their YouTube channel here, click one of these videos, you see right here, free download, they're putting a link to download. That's what you're going to have right here, but you're going to put in the link from here, from ShrinkEarn. You're going to put that on here, so that way they're going to click that, they're going to see the ad, skip the ad, they're going to go to the download page from file upload, they're going to get your link here, and then download it so they can use it in their videos, and you're going to be making $7 from each one of these sites for every 1,000 views. And that's basically it, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, drop a like, comment, ask me some questions. I respond to all my comments. Likes, comments, subscribe if you want to see new methods like this. I'm going to be posting them as often as I can. And, you know, hopefully if you're subscribed, you'll be getting them first, so you can be ahead of the competition, first person to take advantage of things, and just always know what's new, what's going on for ways to start making money online. But I appreciate it, guys. I'll see you on the next one.